Find features that differentiate it from other brands for AINAVI front dash cam for cars. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Built-in Wi-Fi plus app control for instant access. View, download, and share recordings instantly via the companion app, no need to remove the SD card. Manage videos, adjust settings, and share clips to social media with a single tap. No SD card included, please purchase a SD card separately. G-sensor collision detection and emergency lock. The advanced G-sensor automatically locks and protects important footage when it detects sudden impacts or vibrations. Prevents crucial files from being overwritten during loop recording. Mini stealth design for safer driving. Compact hidden mount avoids blocking your view and reduces theft risk. 2K ultra clear front recording and wide field of view. Capture every detail with crystal clear 2K, 1296p, resolution and a wide-angle lens that expands lateral visibility. Easily monitor adjacent lanes and record critical road events with enhanced clarity. Smart loop recording for continuous protection. Supports 1-3-5-minute video loops with intelligent memory cycling. When storage is full, older files are automatically overwritten while locked emergency videos remain safely stored. 24-hour parking mode, hardware kit required. Keeps your vehicle protected even when powered off. The dashcam continues time-lapse monitoring, 1 fps, to capture parking incidents, scratches, or break-in attempts around the clock. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.